Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Stop for a minute. Just listen. Do you hear a quiet voice in your head? Sometimes this voice is not your friend. It is not nice to you. It says, you cannot do this. It says, you are not smart enough. It says, people will look at you and laugh. Do you know this voice? Do you often say, I can't, before you even try? Many people know this feeling. We call this self-doubt. Self-doubt means you do not believe in yourself. You are scared to make mistakes. You are scared to try new things. Maybe you want to learn how to play the guitar, but the voice says, it is too hard. So you do not try. Maybe you want to talk to a new person, but the voice says, you are boring. They will not like you. So you stay quiet. This is a very big problem. Why? Because self-doubt is a thief. You know what a thief is. A thief comes into your house and takes your phone or your money. But self-doubt takes something much more important. It takes your time. It steals your days. It steals your months. And soon, it steals your years. Right now you have energy. You have dreams. These are your best years. You can do great things. But self-doubt says, wait, do not do it today. Do it tomorrow. Wait for a better time. But tomorrow becomes next week. Next week becomes next year. Today, we will see how this thief works, and we will learn how to stop it before it steals your best years. Part 1. How does it steal your time? How does this thief steal your time? It uses a game. We can call it the waiting game. Self-doubt tells you to wait. It says, you are not ready today. You need more time. You need more money. You need to read another book. So you say, okay, I will start tomorrow. But tomorrow is a trick. When tomorrow comes, it is today again. And the voice says again, wait until next week. You want to travel to a beautiful place, but you think, my English is bad. I will go next year. Next year comes, and you do not go. You stay home. You want to apply for a new job, but you look at the job paper and think, I am not smart enough for this. They want someone better. So, you close the computer. You do not send your name. This is how you lose time. You wait for the perfect day. But the perfect day does not exist. The perfect day is a lie. And while you wait, what happens? You watch other people. You look at your phone. You see your friends on the internet. They look very happy. One friend has a new job. Another friend is traveling with her family. Another friend is playing a new sport. You sit on your bed. You look at the phone. You feel sad. You feel angry with yourself. You think, why can't I do that? You can do that. But they tried, and you didn't. They said yes to life, and you said, wait. Every time you wait, you miss a chance. You miss a chance to meet a good friend. You miss a chance to learn a fun skill. You miss a chance to feel proud of yourself. This is how self-doubt steals your best years day by day, little by little. Part 2. The story of Anna. Let me tell you a story. This is the story of Anna. Anna is a nice girl. She is 25 years old. Anna loves to make cakes. She bakes chocolate cakes, sweetbreads, and fruit pies. Her kitchen always smells like sugar and butter. Anna has a beautiful dream. She wants to open a small bakery. She wants to sell her cakes to people in her town. She draws pictures of her bakery. She writes a menu. She feels very excited. But then self-doubt comes. The quiet voice in her head starts to talk. It says, Anna, you cannot open a bakery. There are many bakeries in this town. Their cakes are better than yours. Nobody will buy your cakes. You will lose all your money. People will laugh at you. Anna listens to the voice. She feels cold. She feels scared. She puts her pictures and her menu in a box. She hides the box under her bed. She says, the voice is right. I will wait. I will learn to bake better. I will open my bakery next year. 1 year passes. Anna is 26. Does she open the bakery? No. The voice says, wait more. 2 years pass. 3 years pass. 5 years pass. Now Anna is 30 years old. She works in an office. She looks at a computer all day. She does not like her job. She feels tired and sad every morning. One weekend, Anna walks down the street in her town. She sees a new shop. It is a new bakery! She goes inside. She buys a piece of chocolate cake. She eats it. The cake is okay, but it is not great. Anna's chocolate cake is much, much better. Then Anna looks at the owner of the bakery. It is her old friend, Sarah. Sarah is smiling. Sarah is very happy. Sarah is not the best baker in the world. But Sarah did not wait. Sarah tried. Anna walks out of the bakery. She stands in the street. She feels a heavy pain in her heart. She understands something very sad. She did not lose her dream because her cakes were bad. She lost her dream because she was scared. She gave 5 of her best years to self-doubt, and she can never get those 5 years back. Part 3. Why do we have self-doubt? Now, we must ask a question. Why do we have this voice? Why do we have self-doubt? The answer is simple. We want to be perfect. We think, if I am perfect, people will like me. If I make a mistake, people will laugh at me. We are very scared of other people. We think everyone is looking at us. We think everyone is watching our mistakes. But here is a big secret. Listen carefully. People are not watching you. It is true. People are very busy. They are thinking about their own lives. They are thinking about their jobs, their children, or what they will eat for dinner. They are looking at their own phones. They have their own self-doubt too. Maybe you make a mistake. Maybe you speak English poorly today. Maybe your first cake is burned. Someone might see it. But they will forget it in 5 minutes. You are stopping your life because you are scared of people who do not even remember your mistakes. When you understand this, you feel free. You do not need to be perfect. Nobody is perfect. Part 4. How to stop it. 3 simple steps. So, how do we stop this thief? How do we stop self-doubt? You cannot turn off the voice completely, but you can learn to be stronger than the voice. Here are 3 simple steps you can do today. Step 1. Do it badly first. Yes, you heard me right. Do it badly. Do you want to paint a picture? Paint a very ugly picture. Do you want to make a video? Make a very bad video. When a baby learns to walk, the baby falls down many times. The baby does not think, I am a bad walker. I will stop. The baby stands up and tries again. It is okay to be bad at first. Everyone starts at 0. Allow yourself to be a beginner. Step 2. Change the voice in your head. When self-doubt speaks, you must speak back. You must be the boss of your mind. When the voice says, you cannot do this, you must say, I cannot do this yet. But I am learning. When the voice says, people will laugh, you must say, I do not care. I am doing this for me. Change your words, and you will change your feelings. Step 3. Just take one small step. Self-doubt loves big mountains. When you look at a big mountain, you feel scared. You think, it is too high. I cannot climb it, so do not look at the top of the mountain. Just look at your feet. Take one small step. Do not think, I must write a whole book. Just think, I will write for 5 minutes today. 5 minutes is easy. The voice in your head cannot stop you from doing 5 minutes. Look at the clock on your wall. Just look at it and listen. Tick-tock, tick-tock. The sound never stops. It never takes a break. The sun goes down and the moon comes up. Today becomes yesterday. Tomorrow becomes today. Time is always moving. It does not wait for you. It does not care if you are ready. It does not care if you are scared. time just goes. Every tick of the clock is a second of your life, and you can never get that second back. Never. So what are you doing with your seconds? What are you doing with your days? Right now, you are standing at a door. In front of you, there are 2 roads. You must choose one road today. Road number 1 is the easy road. This is the road of self-doubt. On this road, you listen to the quiet voice. You say, I will wait. I am not ready. I am scared. On this road, you are safe. Nobody laughs at you. You do not make mistakes. But on this road, nothing changes. Your life is exactly the same tomorrow, next week, and next year. Remember Anna? Anna took road number 1. She kept her cakes in a box. She kept her dreams in the dark. And she lost 5 beautiful years. Then there is road number 2. This road is hard. This road is scary. On this road, you say, I am scared, but I will try. You make mistakes. You fall down. Sometimes people look at you. Sometimes you feel silly. But on this road, you learn. You grow. You meet new people. You see new places. You live your life. Close your eyes for a minute. Imagine your future. Imagine you are very old. You are 80 years old. You have white hair. You sit in a big, comfortable chair by a window. It is a quiet afternoon. You are drinking tea. You look out the window and you think about your life. When you are 80 years old, what will you think about? Will you think, I am happy because I didn't try? No. Will you think, I am happy because I was safe? No. Old people do not cry about their mistakes. They do not cry because they fell down when they were young. They cry about the things they did not do. They cry about the words they did not say. They cry about the places they did not visit. They cry about the dreams they kept in a box. Do not be that old person. Do not sit by the window and say, I wish I tried. I wish I was brave. Wake up. Open your eyes. You are not 80 years old. You are here right now. You have energy. You have a warm heart. You have a strong body. You have today. This is your life. It is not a test. It is not a game. This is the real thing. Please do not give your best years to fear. Do not let self-doubt steal your beautiful time. The thief is in your head, but you have the key. You can lock the door. You can say, no more. You cannot have my time. Start today. Do you want to learn English? Open a book right now and read 1 page. Do you want to paint? Take a brush and draw a simple flower. Do you want to talk to someone? Pick up your phone and call them. Do it badly, do it slowly, but do it. Be brave. Take 1 small step today, and then take another step tomorrow. Believe in yourself. Your best years are not in the past. Your best years are not in the future. Your best years are right now. Go and live them.